Hello friends, Namaste. I am Bhushan Pathak from Saishayu Option Scalpers. Today I am with you to discuss one more and yet another charismatic investment and trading opportunity. The stock name is Jai Balaji. And let me tell you, friends, as you know, we are specialized in catching up stocks early at the time when no one knows about it. And later, when the stock catches momentum, everyone starts talking about it. So that stock becomes talk of the D street, the last street later. So we identify stocks at right in the beginning at right opportunity, right time. So let's find out what is that. Okay, this is again one of my favorite necklace pattern. The stock name is Jai Balaji. Okay, as this name says, Jai Balaji. So Jai Balaji, I have selected NSE symbol, and if you see this, this is a later entry. We started investing here somewhere here in this stock in February, right at the top. Okay, so right from 2252 somewhere I started catching this stock. So this stock name is Jai Balaji. Let me show you what is today's high, and I'll show you my own stock investment also, my holding also in this position. Let me share you my disclosure. I am holding this stock since long, almost 2 to 3 months now, and my view can be biased. So please consult your investment or financial advisor before taking any action into this. This talk is not for this idea, this video is not at all for promoting investment in this stock or any other stock. This is only and purely for educational purpose. So please treat this and consider this as education opportunity and not an investment advice. Okay. So with that note, let's understand why, how, and when. Okay. So this is Jay Balaji, and if you see this, we started somewhere here on a monthly time frame. Let me show you the magic. The stock started falling from here. Okay, the stock was somewhere here. It has a lifetime high of 670 rupees. So 670 rupees stock, I started buying at around 40 50 rupees. Everyone will wonder why. Okay, now this is the story getting unfolded now. If I jump onto weekly and daily basis, say this stock has been in consolidation for how many months now? Since January, almost June, July 21. 2 years the stock was in this same range. Okay, and once the stock has broken this range, this high of 71, and when in the same week which we have, okay, so it has broken the high of 71 and started creating and giving this signal somewhere here stock is about to break. Okay, 1 2 3 4, a mild attempt, 5, then 6 7, in eighth attempt stock has cleared this resistance. Okay, so in my opinion, any stock or any index, if it's approaching any support or resistance again and again and repeatedly with aggressive volume on the favorable side, the stock will definitely break that resistance sometime. Okay, but in this case it has taken 2 years almost. Yeah, it's May, so 2 years. And this year this has broken with strong confidence. And look at the volume. If I have to tell you volume, look at this volume. There is a volume. This was 81, 4.95, 4.93 million. Then we had this volume. Then stock started suddenly showing some momentum. The volume was 8.45. And now what is this week's volume? 14.82. Now it has, now every stock, every scanner in the world, scanner, they have started catching up this stock, because you know why? The reason is stock has given almost 20%, 50% momentum, 50% return from its low level, this level, swing low level. Now let's start how. So this is, we started somewhere investing in 44, 42, 45, 50 levels. I was averaging this right from 42 to 52 level. And let me show you, we are not bluffing, we are not telling anything else. These are my investment holdings. So Jai Balaji, I have my holding 1000 quantity and my average was 52 in this account. The other account average was 44, 45. Okay. And today we are in profit of, this is today's closing, 30,000 already. And stock has given me 55% return on my investment already. Okay. So this is my dashboard and these are my holdings. So this is my position. That's what I'm saying. I may be biased in this talk, so please have your own research done. Now let's move on. Why? So this is unfolding a necklace pattern here, and if you look at daily time frame, it is very clear why was I so aggressive in this talk. This is the level. This is the reason. Can you see a silent expectation going on? There is no seller volume and there is consolidation. So someone is buying this stock and no one is selling this stock. Although there are red candles, but look at the volume of red candles. Negligible volume. So sellers are either getting tired or exhausted, and buyers are now kicking in sellers here with strong volume. This shows first attempt was done, and whenever they have this attempt done, there is a selling, there is anticipation in selling and the volume is declining, and that's why I was confident about it. And the moment this has taken this support, this was my support level, I was observing it very cleanly that this support should not be broken with volume by sellers, and it happened like that. The support was broken but volume was missing. If you look at volume 46k, buyers who have bought it at say 3.08 million. So 3 million volume bought at around 49.50 level. Do you think that buyer will let this price go below 40? This was defended at 42.45 level, and since then it has started rallying. Today it has given us gap up opening, and stock is now strong, looking strong, and I'm expecting this stock may go further, and today it has created a high of, it has touched a high of 85.40 rupees. Okay, now let's see why. If you go and look at this, I'm on screener.in. Let's see, Jai Balaji. You have your own research done. This was incorporated in 1999. Okay, this is not a new company, and it has domestic presence. It has exports also. So you can read through this. Okay, and let me show you something interesting. You go to balance sheet and see this. Okay, they are, what are they doing? They are, their reserves are in negative. Their borrowings, they are reducing their borrowings, and it's a steel company. Look at their peers. Okay, the peers are. This is how you do your analysis. What are peers doing? What is their market cap? What is their profit ratio? What is the OPM they are operating, operator profit margin? What is their P&L? Are they in profit? This is the OPM. What are they doing? So you have your own research. We had this research done, okay, and we found out that the company is looking good for investment, not for trading, of course. So company was looking interesting for investment purpose, and it has given us good results. So 50% return, friends, in how many months? In less than 3 months, 50%. So that's a very good return, and I'm expecting this. We might have 100% returns also very soon. The story has just begun. The stock has started unfolding and a turnaround story. And these stocks are very important. When a stock comes out of consolidation of how many years? Say, look at this, 2008, and this started 2011. 2011 till 2023. So it's a long period of almost 12 years. Okay, and then stock starts its own momentum. Now, my experience says whenever stock has such a downfall, it has taken almost how many, since this 2007 till 2022. So almost 15 years to reach this level. It will take lesser time to reach back to its lifetime glory. And then my necklace pattern, my favorite necklace pattern would get completed. Let me show you how. So this is my, I'm hoping I may be wrong. This is how my necklace pattern may get completed here. Okay, the story has just started. And you can watch my other things also. What are screeners, what are fundamentals, and check them and do your own research and then take a call. This is again, I'm clarifying, this is not an investment advice nor a trading advice. This video is purely for educational purpose. So that's all from my end. I'm watching this talk and I'll keep you updated about the progress of this talk. So thank you so much, friends, for joining us today, and keep loving.